Okay.
Also I think let's try first with the spring.
Okay.
How much centimeter you want more?
How could you get it narrow?
Bigger?
No.
You want a bigger hill?
The ridge circumference is good, but you want to its ridge top. It's narrow, a bit narrow.
On top.
Yeah, on top. It should be 40, in my opinion.
40. Yeah. I not see it right now, but I think the screw has to be out there.
Okay, let's go for it. Right down there.